Ooh, they even have a new chicken cheese sandwich. Oh no, we're gonna have to check it out. Oh, the Luigi's. It's been a while since I've been in Luigi's. God bless this place. Kept me going when I was in high school. First couple years of college. God bless it. I kid you not, man. Diners, drive-ins, and dives has got to come to this place.
Yeah, that's what we heard.
All right.
Not going to tell us when, it'll be a surprise.
No, is that right?
You ain't from Maria? No.
Yeah.
Just kidding. They're going to slip in here unannounced before they come in and out.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah,
I didn't
check it out for there.
Oh.
Catch us with our sandwiches not done.
Oh.
Alright.
Gotcha. And I kind of grew up.
Yeah, you wash your hands.